Hey guys, your girl here, Tanisha, at jointanishamarie.com. So one of my teammates, she added an extra $5,000 to her household in 1 year with the income shifting, strategy. Now, I did a video yesterday talking about the income shifting strategy, how literally you're putting your tax money back into your household instead of waiting for a tax refund check. So I don't know if you can see this. Right, I don't know if you can see this a little bit, but she said she added an extra $200 every pay period. So that's basically every 2 weeks. So that's $400 a month. So it's about $5,000 a year, right? So here's the thing, friends. It's so much money in the world, right? The reason that people don't make more money is because they don't have the education and the knowledge, and they're not willing to apply it. So Rhonda just joined a month ago, not even a month, like 3 weeks ago, and she applied the W-4 income shifting strategy that we have in Myecon. So now her $35 a month that she was paying or is paying for Myecon, now she has an extra $400. So she can pay her $35, plus we're going to show her how to now increase her cash flow from the $400, that's extra that she's getting. Plus we're going to help her to eliminate her debt with the extra $400 that she's getting. All right, so guys, it's all about cash flow, lowering your taxes, and having investments, friends, and then showing your children how to do the same exact thing. Showing your children how to do the same exact thing. So who wants an extra $5,000 or extra $400 a month? And you don't have to wait for your boss to give you a raise. You don't have to work more hours. You don't have to get 4 and 5 jobs and make an extra $500 or $400 a month. Okay, some people getting $250 a month. One guy said he got $1,000 a month. I'm telling you guys, these are real deal things. This shit is really happening, for people, for real. See, I don't have a job, so I'm not even really interested in paying a whole lot of fucking taxes in the beginning, right? But people are paying way too much in taxes, and Rhonda just added $5,000 to her bottom line. She literally just added $5,000 to her bottom line, okay? So at the end of the day, friends, it's the education and the knowledge that we get, right? It's how we will operate. If we get the right information and the right knowledge, we can now understand how money really works. If we continue to have the same knowledge and we operate in the same brain and mindset that we had, when we was a child, or, when we was in high school, and we're 55 now and we're 35 now, most people don't even have more than a 5th grader. In 5th grade, you only get $20, $30 a month. Okay, so most people don't even have $20, $30 left over after they pay all their bills. Okay, after they take care of their kids. So an extra $400 a month, friends, can help you lower your bills. Okay, increase your cash flow. Start working on your credit, friends, and then now you could be able to pay your $35 a month for Myecon every single month. Now, guys, make a 12-month commitment to learn how to become financially educated, financially empowered, financially, independent. Take 12 months. You took 20 years to learn how to lose. You took 25 years to learn how to lose. You took 50 years to learn how to lose. Why don't you take a year now to learn how to win? It's very simple, friends. So go to jointanishamarie.com. Get yourself involved, okay? For $35 a month, $47 one time. And we'll see you on the winning side.